Spread the love in your home this Valentine's Day with some DIY decor, and our good friend Amy Latta is back with another Getting Crafty segment to show us how to create our own canvas art. So, Amy, let's start with what supplies we need to get started here with the project. I'm assuming canvas.
Yes, and really,
Yeah.
for all of these, all you start with is a blank canvas.
Easy.
And then
Yeah.
I just like to use markers.
Okay.
So for some of them, the first one we're going to talk about, we're using permanent markers, and then some we're going to use water-based markers because we want to paint with them.
Makes sense. All right, now the first idea you're going to show us is the Love You More canvas, which is over here. How do we do that
Yes.
one?
So for this one, I used the permanent markers, and the first thing I did was I created this wreath by just drawing a few messy circles to be the
Okay.
vines, and then I did my lettering inside. You know, hand lettering is my favorite thing,
Right.
so you can come to my website, see all about how to do that faux calligraphy.
Yep.
And then I just added some cute little hearts and leaves around the wreath to decorate that.
Sparkly.
Yes, yes, I knew
Yeah.
you would notice the glitter, Brett.
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
So added a little bit of glitter to those hearts just to make them sparkle, but you don't have to
Okay.
if you're a glitter hater. But
Well, no, I'm not a glitter hater when it's on there. I just have a feeling it would be a mess when I try to do it. All right, next, who doesn't love some hugs and kisses? And your next idea is an XOXO canvas. This one right here has some markers to it again?
yes.
Okay.
So for this one, I use the Tombow ABT Pros because they're permanent. For the one we're working on right now, the X's and O's, we're using Tombow dual brush pens because they're water-based.
Okay.
And so what I like to do is you can use a wet paintbrush or a water pen. This is just a pen filled with clean, clear water.
Wow.
And all you do is you paint with these markers. So instead of actually having to get watercolor paints, you can use the markers. So what we're doing is we're sketching out the XOXO. You can see my pencil lines here.
Yep.
So I just sketched the shapes. And then I took 3 different shades of pink markers, and you can see the first step is what I did in this top X. So I just scribbled a little bit. You can see that's not colored in nice and neat. It's just scribbles of color. And then what I did was I added the water pen and I blended. So if I apply the water to this top X, you'll see the same thing starts to happen.
Look at that.
So even though, you know, I didn't just do this, I prepared it ahead of time,
Right.
the water touches it and instantly it starts to blend. So
Wow.
it doesn't matter. You can do it the day before, pick it up, come back to it, but it's just gonna blend those colors into each other. Then I took a permanent black marker and I outlined the letters, and then of course I added glitter. And to do that,
Yes.
you're gonna like this. This
Yeah.
is a glue pen. Tombow
Okay.
makes a glue pen.
So it keeps everything
And yes,
neat.
and all I do is I take it and I'm gonna draw some little heart shapes with the glue pen. You can see that this is not messy at all, right, Brett?
Yeah, no.
And then I'm gonna take my glitter.
Look at that.
Yep, and I'm gonna put some on. Now I
Uh-huh.
do have a scrap sheet of paper because
Right.
I don't wanna make your table all glittered.
Yeah, look at
but
that.
it's
And then
gonna
it-
stay just where I put those hearts
That
and
is cute.
nowhere else. So
Even
you
I could
can
do that.
see them.
That's neat. Look at that.
Exactly. So that's our XO canvas. And honestly, these are just 2 ideas. I've got, you know, you can see that's the heart one we made last year together here on the show.
Yes.
Anything that you can think of, you can do because it's literally a blank canvas.
And they are perfect to display. So, Amy, thanks so much. We'll see you again soon. Appreciate it.
Absolutely.
Stay with us. We're coming back after this.